Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix Palworld error, couldn't start, program files, as you can see here, Win64-Shipping.exe error. And to fix that, super fast and easy, what you need to do here is to go to your game documents here, or files, press browse, and then new window will open up for you here, and then you need to go to PAL, binaries, Win64, and then you should see exe file. Then right click on it, properties, compatibility, make sure run as administrator is turned off, and also other options here is tick down as well, like maybe you have disable full screen optimizations or what, and then just you need to apply the changes, right? As you can see here, apply the changes, and then you need to run the game. And the game should work, as you can see here.